Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to reply forward emails on Proton Mail on PC. Proton Mail is a privacy-focused emails platform developed by the Proton, and it allows users to securely send, receive and manage emails using strong encryption. And when you receive an email, you may want to respond directly to the sender or share the message with someone else. Proton Mail make it easy to reply to the emails or forward them to the recipient directly from your PC. So first, open any of the web browsers that you prefer, and in the top there's an address bar. Type down proton.me and enter it, and over here make sure to sign in the top right. Over here, once you get into this interface of your Proton, what you can do is select to this mail here. Over here you need to open any of the mail in your inbox. Select any of this over here. Once you get into this, once you open any of your mail, over here we can find these icons. Over here you need to select to this reply, and over here you can write a message, and a message box will appear where you can type your message, and you can send it to the sender as well. And after that you can send on the bottom right, and to forward an email on the email, and to forward an email on the Proton here, select to this icon that is forward, or you can also add a message which is optional, and you can write additional notes, and you can select send on the bottom right. And that is it. This is how you can reply forward emails on your Proton Mail on PC. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.